And I like that we built it.
You like that we built it?
Yeah. And I have no workers. Daddy, look, it's like your house.
It's always the box.
My hat.
Do you like the box?
Your hat. And I just like Hello, we're done doing the open review.
An open review of a toy?
Yeah.
A toy review? What do you think it is? Hang on, hang on.
I don't know.
You don't know? Yeah, take a guess.
I think it is.
A chicken?
No. I think it is a remote control car.
A remote control car. I think it does have to do with cars. I'm not sure about the remote control part, but go ahead, tear into it. Where did I buy this? I bought it on the internet, on a website called Lazada. Lazada. So it is, what is it? What do you think it is?
I don't know. Can you just tell me, David?
Well, I mean, look at the pictures. What do you think it is?
What is it? I think it is a car toy.
A what?
A car toy.
A car toy? What kind of car toy?
I don't know.
It's a car toy. There's some cars in it. It actually comes, I'll read what it says, okay?
Yeah.
It says high-speed railway car, convenient packing, convenient carrying, high-grade, generous racing track, easy assembly, will not have too many complex steps. Remove car, install road signs, everything is ready. It's a little bit like, can I show the old one that you have like this before we open the new one?
Okay.
Okay? Because I'd like to hear what you think about the old one. Because you got it 2 years ago and you haven't had one since. So let me get the old one, okay?
Okay.
So we're back.
We're back.
So we'll put this one aside a little bit.
This one is my old one. I got it for my birthday 2 weeks ago.
2 years.
2 years and it's really old.
It is really
I don't
old.
like it anymore because it's all rusty and dirty.
Well,
Because a lot of people play with it.
Okay, so it is very old, but does it still work?
Yes.
Yeah, I'm happy as a daddy. I'm really happy that it still works. You say you don't like it anymore, but you still play with it. Okay, would you like to open this one? Well, there's a box, but then it has a carrying case. So when we go somewhere, we can bring it with us. So
I want to do that.
Yeah. That's it. It's supposed to be all in there.
Or do you have to make it?
I think you have to make it a little bit. Oh, that's cool. You took off like, well, I don't know if it's supposed to come off, but it's like Gabriel just went zoop, and this part came out.
That's magic.
So we'll see.
Magic.
Magic.
Oh,
Whoa.
you have to make it.
We have to make it. They say it's really
Here
easy
the
to
cars.
make. And it does come with cars. This one did not. So this one does come with cars.
And look, it comes with a hamster. It comes with a hamster.
We have Mama off camera there going meow meow. I'm not quite sure why Mama's going meow meow.
And you're Mama. It's your Mama.
If you want to come sit with us, Mama, you can. We got a piece stolen from Mama. I can't throw the camera over, but we see Mama creeping over.
Wow, big one.
I think everything I hold up, Mama's gonna steal. I'm gonna steal the instructions and read the instructions.
Mom, give them back.
So Mama can help us put it together.
I want to open these cards.
Alright, you go ahead and rip that open. This is a big H for the helicopter landing pad. And let's see. It
So what's that?
Wheel garage. I'm not sure what's up. That's the nature of this show.
I know what this is. But
It reminds me of this thing that you had, like the car goes up and down to clean it, right?
what's this thing?
So usually we look at the instructions and
I'm
then we.
turning this again, it's gonna go up. See, it's going up.
Oh yeah. Oh,
That's what you do.
that's much nicer than the other one. The other one you had to kind of rip it open. So Mama's here to also kill mosquitoes. Because it's rainy season, mosquitoes are a little bit dangerous.
Mama no, Gabriel. I lagi Mama no.
Mama has a trumpet.
Wrong.
What? Are you having up put it together with us? Really? You're not going to help us put it together?
Yeah.
You don't have to, Mama. This is not my favorite part either.
I don't mind it.
So, the box said this was very easy. Thank you for coming and killing mosquitoes for us, Mama.
Yeah.
No, spit.
No. Spit out if you already done. That's
I
okay.
don't even know.
We do that sometimes though, eh, Mommy and Daddy? I think we're just afraid that you'll spit out. You'll swallow the plastic. What do you say?
How to hamster. I see two cars.
Yep.
Whoa! Hindi pa tayo, no?
Mine.
See, Mama speaks a language called Lisu and English. And then what's a helicopter in Lisu? Hippie Potter. I've always called it Harry Potter. But there's some words in Mama's language. Mama speaks English too, but in her original language, Hippie Potter. Hey, they're smaller cars. I mean, they're smaller than the normal cars. So I hope the track is not too small. Good job. So, I would probably have more fun like Mama with just the box. Okay, what? You're betting? We gotta work hard for a long time.
Yeah.
What's funny is I think we've probably had more fun with cars with just boxes and toys and different things. You're getting Mama dancing a little bit on camera, a bit off camera there. Alright. So they said it was easy to put together. And this sticker here,
Is that the entrance?
it does say entrance. It says entrance. Who can read at home?
Entrance.
Alright, show us how this thing works, Mom.
How this thing works? This car. I know how to get up there.
Okay, yeah.
Right here.
Yeah.
He goes up here. And then he goes there.
Okay.
And then also here.
Yeah.
That's what?
Okay.
And then his friend is gonna come up.
Is what?
His friend is coming.
His friend's coming up.
This is his friend.
Okay.
The black guy.
Alright.
That's his friend. He's gonna come back up. This way. Go up there. Get up. Hey, Freddy. Hey. Dad, what's going on? Dad is so good. Oh, yeah. But we need to get fixed. I have to first. No. We'll go this way. What's this here? we have to go up here. Here. Here we go, Daddy. I stay up here. Here. Hey, watch this. We're going. Yeah. Hey, that's it. Going back up. Going back up.
Yeah, make him.
We're down there.
Yeah, here, hang on so I can see.
Start here? Okay. Watch this. Watch this. Hey, I need to go first. Yeah, bye-bye. Hey, I'm putting the good. Wait a minute, I'm in front of you. Okay.
Yeah, I was wondering when the helicopter was going to come in. Alright, so we got the 2 cars and the helicopter. Whoa! So were they on their way down to get gas and get clean?
Oh no.
Where are they going?
This guy's going up there to tell that a guy that his friend fell. Hey, my friend fell down. Tell me he fell. You go get him. I got the snow. I got the hair.
It's a very strong helicopter, too.
There goes things. Wait, this car is here. Then push this. Oh. Oh no. Nice jump. Thanks. This is their houses. The houses are here.
Okay.
This is their house. These are their base. These are their house actually. You know that?
I do now, thank you.
That's how it is.
That's it. Alright, if you just sit down a second, tell me what you like about it.
What I like about it is that the character works and the curse works, and I like it that you build it.
You like that we built it?
Yeah, and I have no more friends. Daddy, look, it's like your house.
It's always the box.
My hat.
Do you like the box more?
Your hat.
Do you like the box more than the toy?
Yeah. Your hat.
It is my hat on the camera, but I can't show it. The camera can't see the camera. Alright, thank you.
Bye-bye.
Would you like people to subscribe?
Subscribe to my channel. Subscribe, get it down below, on down or up. Click on the down below up there, or here, or here, or here, or here.
That's perfect, thank you.
Get it down.